Yeah, you know, I followed him on Instagram for the last few years. I've seen the castle, and when I saw the level of craftsmanship that went into that house and what a perfectionist he was, I knew working for Scott was the place for me.
The king of Malibu, right? I mean, he built a castle.
I love to do things that people can't figure out how do we do it.
The challenge was 29 doors that create like a window wall, if you will. And so as you look in from the outside, the 11 exterior doors line up perfectly with the doors on the inside. The beams in the ceiling all line up at the door separations that surround this whole wine and cigar area. And not having one visible nail holding anything together. It was built like a very high-end boat with precision. Basically, you could take a laser and you will see that they all perfectly line up with one another.